Peace and love, goodness, happiness, long life, longevity to you and your family. We just want to give you an update. So here is the before. Earlier this year, we purchased this half a plot from this man who owned the building next to it. And then a few months later, we actually eventually purchased the full plot, including the building next to this where we're building. And so we planned on, and this is the update, we planned on building a water factory to eventually be able to provide water to the nearby builders, those who are embarking on their projects, as well as to be able to purify the water and sell it as sachet water, or pure water, as they call it in Ghana. And so this is the process of the factory that we're building. We have done a feasibility study in that area. And as you can see, we have our water tank and fresh water that's coming straight from the ground, straight from the source, straight for us. So now we do not have to purchase water for this area. For all our projects we'll be doing in this area, we will not have to purchase any water. So we did a feasibility study. We dug a borehole pretty deep in this area. We dug 2 different boreholes actually, and what we found out is that the water for this area is not salty water. In this area is very good water actually, and so it seems that we will be able to not have to do too much of the cleansing of the water. Obviously it still needs to be cleansed, but this is the layout of the factory. Now obviously all the different rooms within this factory are going to be used for different purposes. There's going to be a part of this factory that's going to be just to store the machines, for the machine storages, or placement for where the machines will go, for the purification of the water. Some of the different rooms, as you guys will see. And anybody that knows about building in Ghana, you know that these bamboos are to hold up the ceiling. That's the carpentry work that's being done for the next floor that's going to precede the ground floors. And so bamboos are used as a holding until everything is dried and ready. Then the bamboos will be removed and used for the next level, and so on. So these rooms right here, there's going to be rooms that are going to store different machines. There's going to be rooms that are going to store the actual sachet waters, and then there's going to be a changing room for the employees. When they come, they have to get into a specific kit in order to go into the room that they will be conducting the work of the purification of the water, because we don't want things to be contaminated. So they'll come, they'll change from their street attire into the full suit, full body kit, to be able to go and get the work done. And then obviously we also have like a little mini office inside of here, which will be for the manager's office area. So this is it, guys. Don't want to talk too much. Just enjoy the rest of the video. Once we get outside of the inside of the building, you guys will see in this area. When I've been saying that when we first came, and there's one of our buildings over there. When we first came into this area, it was a complete bush. I couldn't even walk through any of this place or any of this area to get to where my plot of land was. And fast forward 3 years later, 4 years later, there's been so many people that have came to develop, their projects, their houses, their apartments are still in development for this area. So it baffles me to see the transformation that has been brought to this area. I mean, from what my eyes saw when I first came to this area is just mind-boggling. So I'm very happy to see all that that's going on in this area. There's Sir Rich. We have Tadia somewhere around here. Men at work. And so they are pretty much smoothing out the flow for the next floor. And this is going to definitely be a story building. So as you guys can see all around, a lot of development that has came into this area. A lot of people are embarking on their projects, and it's just a beautiful thing to see. Once again, I wish if you guys had my eyes to remember to see what this area was like. And this is the main road. This is the main Accra to Kumasi road that's being constructed. And when you turn around and you see, we are literally right here. I mean, walking distance from the main road. So once this road is completed, this area, there's going to be so much more development that is going to come into this area. So many people are going to build so many different things with schools, hospitals, obviously living spaces, houses. And there's another one of our projects that we've put up. We've put up a house. We're also building apartments over here. We own that whole block right here. And then just behind there is where we're doing our water factory as well. So I'm excited for what the future has to offer. And we're just thanking God for, the opportunity to continue to invest, to continue to hustle, to continue to grind, bring employment to Africa. I encourage everybody, come and invest back home. You will not regret it. Thank you.